In today's video, we'll be tackling the basics of creating an online restaurant menu with GloriaFood. Begin by navigating to the menu setup and receive orders section of the admin dashboard. Then, click on Menu Setup. Before you can edit your menu, you must first go through the first time use videos by clicking on the Next button. Now, you may realize that there are already some food items in your menu which you didn't add. These items have been automatically added to the menu based on the cuisine options that you previously selected in the Restaurant Basics section. If there are a few items you don't want, you can always delete them by clicking on the Remove icon. To add a new category to your menu, simply click on the Add Category button. You will then be required to add a category name and a category description. If you need a bit of help writing the menu descriptions, rest assured, we have also included a guide on how to write delicious food descriptions, which you can find in the video description down below. Next, you need to add items and item descriptions to that category by clicking on the Add Item To button. If the items you're selling come in different sizes, this online restaurant menu enables you to select the multiple sizes option. Then, you'll need to add the name, size, and price for each. You can also change the position of the items in the menu by dragging and dropping them to your desired location. The same can also be done to the categories in the menu. To add a picture to the item, hover over the image icon and click on Add. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll then need to click on Browse to upload an image. To increase the image size, you can zoom in on the image by dragging the slider to the right. Or you can slide to the left to decrease its size. You can also crop the image by dragging the little white squares located on the borders of the image. Once you've resized and cropped the image, click on the Set Image button. You can change the theme picture located at the top of the menu by clicking on the Change Theme Picture button. You can then use the arrow to search through a selection of preloaded images. Or you can select I have my own better picture. On the screen that appears next, you have the option to change the theme picture for web ordering as well as for mobile ordering. To change the image for any of the screens, please click on the Change button, then on Browse to upload an image from your computer. Once the image has been uploaded, you can crop and resize the image to your liking. Then you'll need to click on Set Image. To see a preview of the theme picture, click on the View button. Repeat this process if you want a different picture for the mobile version of the menu. You can also change the images for the Order Accepted screen on both mobile and web devices. After you make all your desired changes, click on Next. Then on Apply to save your changes. You can check how your menu looks, like to your customers, at any time by clicking on the Preview and Test Ordering button located on the top of the page. So, you've learned about the basics of creating an online restaurant menu.